matter what happens when they hit the floor, let's make some noise.
We're going to clear a path here for a run. Just open up a little bit for one person to run through.
Just a little bit.
A little more, that's enough. He's going to run through. He's going to flip over 3 of us. He's going to catch him. It'll be about 4 people. Guys, when he hits the floor, just go nuts. If he hits the floor wrong, walk off and forget what you saw. Very, very talented. Watch this. Very talented.
Go for it, mate.
Hard, hard, hard. Hey! Everybody hands up like this, we need a rhythm.
Steady hands up.
But if you don't raise your hands, I'll point you out. And then I'll make fun of you. Hands up. So I can see both your hands up. The camouflage is not working, I can see you, man. You're good. Come on, everybody. Very, very good. Come on, white people, let's do this. All of you. Hands up.
There's an ATM machine behind that building.
Please support our dream.
Come forward
And build these little
hats.
That was our show. Thank you so much.